now that we have it set up, this particular trap is called the pressure switch snare system. And again, we're using this tube, 50-pound tube and carabiner, basically as the engine, or at least the strength to pull the snare. You see how we have the snare goes around the area in which the animal would stand on, and that is that little pressure switch right there. Once the animal triggers that or steps on it, basically the whole system gives way and it releases the tension. If you look here, this right here is where all the tension is being held. It's just a toggle, pretty much twisted around and held together by these 3 spikes. 1, 2, and that one down there. Now all of them have the little cut in it so to create the groove, including this one. So now we're going to bring again the chair, and it's going to represent the animal that will have its foot on the inside. Okay, thank you, animal. Okay, and now Matt, come on this side. Keep your head clear of the system. And once it, I'm going to go ahead and watch the trigger system, how it flips up. Okay, go ahead and set it off. Okay.
It broke.
Well, the trigger system was so strong, it broke the snare. I mean, you see the snare basically broke off. That's why you don't use twine. Alright, we're going to try another take here, take 2. We reloaded everything as it was before, but now this time we used orange paracord versus the twine that broke. We literally snapped the twine and it didn't even snare the chair leg. So now we're going to put the chair leg back in there. Nice and easy. Get closer, so that'll be good. Now, basically step on this side, and now don't step too close to it because I'll catch your face. Now, basically go and just drop it and move your head away. And there you go. So now, as you can see, the way that pressure switch works, the minute the animal or whatever it is you're trying to catch steps on that cross beam right there, basically it releases the trigger stick, which is that one right there, and then the tension is pulled up by this right here, and the target is captured. Now everybody's probably wondering, what knot did I put on there? Again, use whatever knot you feel is necessary. That particular one I put on was just a simple tuck hitch. That way, the tighter it gets, it won't loosen up. But again, if I was going to catch an animal like a raccoon, a rabbit, or I don't know, a deer, not. Anyway, if I'm trying to catch something that it won't get away, my intent is to make sure that is probably cable, which is probably going to be on the next trap that we do now. All right, success.